Hello guys, I am back with the new topic. Today our topic is we will check two numbers from user that these two numbers are equal, and after that we will check if these two numbers are not equal, whether the first number is greater than the second or the second number is greater than the first. In this program we will use jump statement and as well as compare statement. You know compare statement as if else in a C++ language. So let's start our programming. So first of all you need to write the basic syntax of assembly language programming, that is you know how to write a program in MESM assembly language programming. In MESM you will write program in Visual Studio. So here I am writing the basic assembly language syntax, and after that I will write down the program. Here you can do two process, that you can also check whether your program is working fine or not with your basic syntax. If your program is not working with the basic syntax, you can check your linker setting. If you don't know how to do the linker setting, the video of the link of that video will be available in the description. So now we will start writing the program. First of all we will display some kind of messages. I am going to display first message, that is enter first number, and after that I will display enter second number. And you need also need some user defined variables to store these two numbers that we get input from users, and we will also initialize them in .data segment. And here I am also displaying some kind of messages that numbers are equal in case of both numbers are equal. And after that the second statement is the first number is greater than the second number, and I will display that message on screen. And after that we will initialize that the second number is greater than the first number. So here are these 5 messages that we will display on screen during the execution of the program. As I said before, we need two variables to store the value of those numbers that we get input from user. So here we will initialize these two variables to use it in program for further. And now our data segment has been completed. Now move to the .code segment, and we have to write the code of our program. First of all I will display the message that enter first number, and after displaying the message I will get input from user by using call readint. And after taking input from user I will move that input value into the variable, and after that I will display the second message, that is enter second number. And again after displaying the message I will get a second input from user by using call readint, and now I will again move the value of that input into the variable to use it in the program later. Now here we have to check both numbers are equal or not equal. So first of all I am moving the first number into a accumulator register, and after that I am performing compare statement between two numbers. Here compare, that is first number will be compared by second number, and a jump equal. In case of both numbers are equal it will move to the equal statement. In case of first number is greater than the second number, it will move to the jump greater. And in the third case, the first number is less than the second number, it will move to the lesser, that is the second number is greater than the first number. So let's start writing program in our statement. First of all, I am writing the equal statement, that is I will display the message both numbers are equal. And after that I will use exit. Exit is necessary after the end of every statement. And after that I am using greater statement, and in greater statement I will write that first number is greater than the second number. And at the end of the greater we use exit, and after that a lesser tag, and here I will display the second number is greater than the first number. And then call write string and at the end exit. So let's build it and check our program errors. If our program does not have any error, then it will go to the further debugging state. There is some kind of syntax error in our program, so let's solve it first and then again build it. As you can see, there are some kind of spelling mistakes, and now build it again. Yes, our program has been built succeedingly, and now move to the debugging process. Enter first number. Here I am going to enter my first number, that is 1, and second number 1. As you can see, both numbers are equal. Then again debugging. And here you can see I have entered first number is greater than 1, and the message is displayed first number is greater than the second. So our program is working fine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.